Hey guys, it's Melissa from the Melmar Group, and it's a great day because it's Amazon Prime Day today and tomorrow, and they have some amazing deals on lots of different things. It's kind of like their early Black Friday or Christmas in July. So if any of you are a big Instapot people, they have Instapots on sale. They have a 6-quart 9-in-1 for $56, regularly $130. And then they have a 6-quart multi-use with Wi-Fi and the Echo Dot and all these things that we never imagined for cooking. And that is $89, and they normally charge $200 for that. So I want to make sure you knew about those, but I also want to make sure you know about the new air fryer lid for the Instapot. It's called the Mealthy, and it is really, really cool. So let me show you just a quick sample. This was the easiest way to do it, of the Mealthy. So it has safety features, and it has a glass lid. You set the temperature. It has its own power cord. You don't use the Instapot power cord. It has a heating element. And what happens, hopefully this will come up soon. It is so cool. No more buying the bulky egg-shaped air fryers that take up tons of room in your cupboard, because you can just buy this. So she's putting it on the Instapot. You want to make sure you have a stainless steel pot, and they send you a trivet and a couple other things. Put your basket in, put your lid on. It's kind of funny, she's mashing it down. Okay, and you're going to see in just a minute, gives you the temperature. This is taking way longer than I thought. I'm sorry. But there you go. The bright orange light that turns it into an air fryer and makes your food nice and crispy. So you can cook in the Instapot, and then you don't have to take things out and put them in the oven and heat your oven up. Or you can also just put stuff in the air fryer. And I saw some comparisons online, and the basket for it looks kind of as though it's smaller than some of the big air fryers that you would buy, but the capacity is about the same. So really cool, doesn't take up a lot of room. It's $50 on Amazon, and you know, it's just on today with free shipping with Prime. So I hope you'll check it out. I'll put all the links for the Instapot pots and the Mealthy below, and hopefully you'll get one and have fun with it too. I'm hoping to get one and do a review on it soon for you. So hope all is well, and make it a great day. Thanks. Bye.